Hey guys, what's up? I'm Swati. Welcome back to my channel. So today, finally after 8 months, we are going for a trek. We are going to Skandagiri. It's a very popular trekking destination near Bangalore. It's about 70 kilometers from Bangalore, and right now it's 5:17 in the morning. I'll talk more about it, but now let's go. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Ready?
The sun's up, let's get down. I feel the rhythm and I hear the sound of you and me and our dancing feet in the summer street. So jump up, dance around. It feels good living in this town with you and me and our hearts that beat to the city streets. So
Some coffee before we start the trek. It's actually pretty cold. We have now reached Skandagiri and we are at the starting point of this trek, and this is Amod
Hello.
and this is our friend Vimi.
Hi.
So to come to this place, you do need to get a pass, and you can get this from this website called My Eco Trip. I will leave a link in the description box, and also there's this cap of like how many people can visit this place on a particular day. That's because of some government regulation. So you need to check that, and now we need to start climbing.
shout out, have some fun. Everyone is smiling in the sun with you and me and our friends around till the sun goes down. Oh, don't stop, feel the groove. Pull a shape and make your body move with you and me.
So we were under this impression that because of Corona, this trail is going to be empty and we are going to be the only people here. But that's not the case at all. It is in fact pretty crowded, and there were so many cars parked and all. So yeah, it's not that empty.
It's wonderful that we're in the world. Our life can be just so much fun. Let the good times carry on. Good dancing in the summer sun. It's wonderful that we're in the world. Our life can be just so much fun. Let the good times,
Sun is gonna come out. Look at it.
good times carry on.
When we started trekking, it was raining, and now it's actually looking a little bright and sunny. I just hope that I get to fly my drone.
It's called the Indian squat. It's very good for your back, and you know what? In the early morning hours.
The sun's gonna come out.
It's a very scientific pose for all those of you who are wondering. Go check it out. It's called the Indian or Hindu squats.
I wanna be there, cameras out, and everybody knows that we ignite without a doubt. I wanna hear it and see the sound.
So some beautiful air, a nice trail, good way to spend a Sunday morning.
Yeah, and when you don't get to do this very often, you actually value it.
Oh, 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 it's beautiful. Oh, 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 everything we see. Oh, oh, oh.
I think we've almost reached. I can see the fort walls there, and probably like 10 more minutes, and we should be there.
See life in all the colors of the rainbow. It's beautiful, this world. And the sun is streaming in through every window. Oh, we feel it all. Oh, 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 it's beautiful. Oh, oh, oh.
We've now reached the top. It is extremely windy here, and I'm a tad disappointed because I wanted to fly my drone here, and now I don't the Skandagiri trek is known for the sunrise. In fact, a lot of people come here, they camp here, and then they do the morning trek and see the sunrise, which we didn't do. But nonetheless, the views are really nice, and also at the top they have some ruins and they have a temple as well.
The stars are shining brightly up above me. It's beautiful, this world.
Now we are heading back. About the difficulty level of this trek, this is a moderate to difficult trek. On an average, it should take you somewhere around 2 hours to 2.5 hours to do this trek. It's a very gradual incline, so not very steep and therefore not very difficult. One thing very impressive about this trail is that it's actually pretty clean. I didn't see a lot of litter around except at the top. So if you visit this place or any such places, then please don't litter around, keep it clean. We are going to take the same route back, so there's no point of filming. So I think I'll see you in a bit. We are now in Bangalore and I'm famished. I could eat a horse, which is why now we have come to this place called The Only Place. This is an iconic steakhouse in Bangalore. I'm not sure if the camera is allowed inside, but let's see. We are now back home, and about the trek, honestly, it was a little overwhelming because it was pretty crowded today. Probably because it's a Sunday today. But besides that, it's always nice to just get out of the city and to breathe in some fresh air. And also, if you're visiting Skandagiri, then make sure that you have your bookings in place. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.